As a writer and content creator, the best perk of my job is I get to pick and choose what projects excite me. And over the past 3 years, I have figured that what excites me the most is working with startups. I have worked with startups for brand identity design and GTM and content strategy. Some of the products I have worked with have landed as number one product of the day on Product Hunt. It's an extensive process, but if you ask me where it begins, I would say it starts with the logo. A logo is the face of your brand. It's the bridge that connects your target audience with the values that you want your brand to represent. But the hard part, designing a logo takes weeks, if not months of your efforts. I have worked with designers and design teams, and it's an iterative process. It can be very expensive and also time exhaustive. But if you are a single founder or running on a tight budget, you cannot afford a full design team even before your GTM begins. The solution? AI logo generators. Now, if you search AI logo generators on Google, you will see hundreds of options to choose for. How do you pick which one is the most effective? To help you out, I have tested 6 AI logo generators, and in this video, I'm going to rank them from best to worst. How did I test these logo generators? I created a fictional business, Pole with Ananksha. A quick backstory. I am a writer and a hobbyist pole dancer. There might be a day when I open my own pole studio, and when I do, I might name my business Pole with Ananksha. So, for this experiment of selecting the best AI logo generator, my fictional business is Pole with Ananksha. Here are the 6 best AI logo generators on the internet today. Number 1, the best one of the list, is the Fiverr Logo Maker. The reason why it appears on number 1 is because the logos it gives are beautiful. You have to take a look to believe me, because nobody would guess that you have used AI to generate them. And there's a reason behind that. The designs that Fiverr gives you are not actually completely AI generated. They are iterations made by AI on the work of an actual human designer, which is why the logo that you get is like a work of art. Now, the process is pretty simple. You have to log into Fiverr Logo Maker. Then you have to provide details like what industry you're in, what values your brand represents, what style of logo you would like, and mention a few elements that you would like to add in your logo. And within a few seconds, you would get a huge selection to choose from. Each design that you see has as many as 40 plus variations. You can pick and choose whichever one that suits your brand's vibe the best. Once you have finalized the logo design, you can customize it. The customizable options are insane on Fiverr Logo Maker. Even a non-designer like me could use those options and end up with a very beautiful logo. You can download that logo by purchasing the Essential package, which is only $31. The second AI logo designer on today's list is Designs.ai. The process of designing a logo on Designs.ai is pretty simple. You enter the name of your business, what industry you're in, and what theme you'd like for your logo. After that, you'll get 5 designs to choose from. You can pick which one you like, and then you can customize it a bit and download it. It's pretty easy to use and intuitive, but it is also a little expensive. The one-time purchase price for one logo is $49. Also, the customization options are pretty limited. I was not very satisfied with the final result, but then again, for $49, this is what we get. The third AI logo generator on today's list is Logo.com. This is a free AI tool that only needs a few inputs like your industry, your preferred color, text, style, etc., and you will get your logo within a few minutes. The limitation with this tool is that it has restricted keyword-based customization. I was not very happy with the customization options I found on this tool. The fourth tool we are discussing today is Luca. Luca is another AI generator that's really easy to use. All you have to do is enter the basic details similar to all the other tools I have discussed today, and within a few seconds you will get a selection of logos to choose from. Luca is pretty affordable with a one-time purchase fee of just $20, If you'd like to buy an yearly subscription for unlimited logos, that's $96 a year. But again, the customization options are not pretty great here, and the logo that you get doesn't look very human. It sort of looks AI generated. It's not something I would like to associate with my brand. The fifth option today is called Zoviz. Zoviz is also a very quick, intuitive, and easy to use AI logo generator. All you have to do is enter a few basic details and boom, your logo is ready in 2 seconds. The issue with Zoviz is similar to that of Luca. The logo you get looks AI generated, doesn't look very authentic or very human. But it's also very cheap. You can download the logo for just $11. And the last tool on today's list is Adobe Express. Adobe Express is very simple and easy to use. You have to enter the same details like all the other AI logo generators on this list I mentioned. And within a few seconds, you will get your logo. But you have to pick your icons by yourself in this case, and it took me a while to pick my icon, but yes, it does have decent customization options. Adobe Express is free to use. All you have to do is sign up and then you can download your logo for free. So that brings us to the end of this list, the 6 AI logo generators for 2025, and my favorite of them is Fiverr Logo Maker. There are 4 reasons why I believe Fiverr Logo Maker is the best AI logo generator on the internet today. The first is it gives you a beautiful human-made design. Second, there are amazing customization options that even non-designers like me can use to get a beautifully curated logo. Third, it's super cheap, only $31 to download the logo that you made. And fourth, there are 40 plus variations of each logo that you get. So as I mentioned at the beginning of this video, a logo is the face of your brand. It can make or break how customers see your brand. It is really important that your logo captures the vibe and the essence of your brand. And for that, I believe relying on completely AI generated logos is not a very good idea. And that's why Fiverr Logo Maker's unique concept of customizing designs by actual human designers using AI works the best for me. So if I had to conclude this video by recommending you one AI logo generator for your business today, it has to be Fiverr Logo Maker. I hope you found this video useful. If you know any entrepreneur or business owner who's struggling to get a logo designed, then please refer this video to them. I'm sure they might find it useful. You can find the links to all the AI logo generators I mentioned in this video in the description, so you can try them out and see for yourself. If you have any cool AI logo generator in mind that I might have missed, please do let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, stay awesome and keep writing. Cheers!